Hello, everyone. This is Natural Vibes. Natural Vibes, where you look for ways to raise your vibrations naturally. Today, I'm going to be doing my shout out video. Shout out video. Shout out video. Okay, so not too long ago, I decided to start doing shout out videos where I look at other YouTubers, small YouTubers such as myself, look at their page and give them a shout out. So recently, YouTube has changed their requirements for the partnership program. So, but prior, they only required 10,000 hours qualify for their partnership program. Now you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. This is a recent requirement, and it is a little bit upsetting for us young YouTubers, new YouTubers that are, just starting out, trying to, trying to become a part of the partnership program, and it's gotten a little bit more difficult and a little bit more challenging. So I've decided to start doing these shout out videos as a way to help others that are in the same boat as myself to get a few more shout outs and get a few more reviews and subscribers. Okay, that being said, I also want to do at least one tip that has helped me recently to get a few more subscribers, a little bit more watch time. And the tip I want to share with you is something I'm still working on currently, is just to have a certain level of enthusiasm. Okay, what I mean by this is I went back and looked at some of my videos. I'm like, am I sleeping? And yeah, so you want to be able to let your audience know that you are interested in your topic. Even though I am very much, my channel is based on health-related tips. It's natural solutions, natural ways for you to raise your vibration, to become a healthier you. So that's basically what my channel is all about. So it's something I am very excited about, because it's something that, it's a side hobby of mine that I've been enjoying for quite some time. So I'm already excited about it, but sometimes I don't want to go back and look at some of my videos. I'm like, I just don't look excited at all. I just look like I'm sleeping. So that is one tip I'm going to share with you. The other one is that I'm working on currently too is uploading more frequently. Right now, I'm aiming to upload once a week. I would love to increase that a little bit, but I feel like the more frequently you upload, the better your odds of I'm still not certain how this YouTube matrix works, but I know that the more you upload, the more consistent you are at uploading. You can't upload once a month and then, 3 times the next, after that 3 times for the week. It likes when you are frequently uploading. I would say at least once a week. Okay, so those are my 2 tips I'm going to share with you. So our first shout out is going to be for Media Smart Guy channel. Okay, and he writes in and he says, your new sub and follower, keep the positivity and good vibes. A shout out from you would be nice too. Okay, media guy, so we're going to give you a shout out. So let's see. Take a look at your channel. This is awesome. So right away, he gives, please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. So it seems his channel is mainly about trailers for movies. Let's see. Subscribe channel, new horror movies, new monster horror movie. Okay, so he does a lot of videos on movies, whether it's the full movie or it's a trailer of the movie. So very cool stuff. A lot of interesting movies here that he has on his channel. Okay, So next shout out, and don't forget to subscribe to Media Smart Guy channel. Okay, so the next shout out we're gonna do is for Funky Mom and Kids. Funky Mom and Kids says, great video as always, would love a shout out also. Okay, so Funky Mom and Kids. Let's see their channel. Let's see. So she's off to a good start. They have 347 subscribers, so they're doing pretty well. And I've been watching their videos. They're pretty interesting videos. It's with her kids, and they do a lot of fun and cool things. So very, very cool channel, and they upload very frequently. There was one today, 2 days ago, 4 days ago, 1 week. So really frequent uploader, and she's doing a really good job. Lots of videos, lots of interesting topics. I think recently I watched a video that she uploaded, and it was like hiding candy in snow, and I thought that was a really cool idea, really awesome, something I want to do with my children as well. So don't forget to subscribe to Funky Mom and Kids. Very cool channel to subscribe. Okay, so I think I only have one more, not too many shout outs this time around. So my next one is, let's see, Stolen Footsteps. So let's see, Stolen Footsteps writes in, hey, first off, I want to say thanks in advance for doing this. I just started on YouTube, and it's basically a vlog channel about life in Africa, Tanzania. Okay, so I went over to his channel. Very interesting stuff. Very new to YouTube. He has 11 subs so far. Just recently started, let's see, 1 month ago. So really interesting stuff. Love to watch more about, you know, adventures in Africa and things like that. So very cool channel to check out. So subscribe to Stolen Footsteps channel. So that's all I'm going to be doing for today. Not too many that wrote in, but really cool channels, 3 really cool channels. So don't forget to check them out. So like I mentioned before, my channel is more about health related things, and I'll be doing an upload pretty soon on just the things I've been trying that have been working very well for me. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed that in some way. If you did, please thumbs it up. If you want me to do a shout out on your YouTube channel, please comment below. Give me a description of your channel and a link to your page, and I'll be sure to do the shout out for the next time around. I set out to be doing shout out videos every 2 weeks starting from the previous one, but I didn't really get as many people that wanted shout outs as I thought I would, so I will play it by ear. Hopefully I'll be doing it in the next 2 weeks again. This time around I did it, I think it was almost 3 weeks, because I was trying to stick it out and wait for a few more people to write in and say they wanted to do it. So thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day.